Good morning and welcome to your daily weather operations brief. Starting off for the day, we are looking pretty good. Once again, temperatures already in the mid 60s and climbing. We are seeing some light northerly winds and some scattered cloud cover overhead, very light cloud cover, so plenty of sunshine anticipated for the remainder of the afternoon. As we move through the day today, we'll see those winds on a slight increasing trend, should be well below any wind advisory criteria, so overall looking very nice for our start to the day and expecting nice conditions to continue. For the most recent radar scan here, looking clear of any precipitation in the local area. Also expecting that trend to continue as we'll see high pressure continue to build in overhead. And if we take a look at this morning's surface analysis chart here, we can see that we do have that unusually strong region of high pressure building over the Great Lakes. That has helped push that frontal boundary that passed a few days ago further offshore and away from our area. And as a result, we are going to see some light onshore breeze develop this afternoon, and it will also kick off a nice warming trend, bringing our high temperatures back above seasonal averages, especially once we move into tomorrow and the following days. But overall, that high pressure is going to give us some warm, dry conditions. We'll see light winds and plenty of sunshine for the day ahead. Out on the field, currently seeing a few clouds around 7,000 feet and a scattered layer at 25,000 feet, both of which are on the lower end of those thresholds, and we do have unrestricted visibility. Winds with a largely northerly component at about 5 knots, and the temperature currently sitting at 65 degrees and slowly climbing, relative humidity at 69%. Once this daytime filter comes across there, we can see that cloud cover streaming in overhead. A bunch of jet contrails also visible, but overall mostly clear across the region, and that will continue to be the case for the forecast period. And for the model run of today, the being shown here, high-resolution model on a 24-hour loop, modeled to remain dry, showers along that boundary further off to the south and the southeast, but again, expected to remain well clear of the locality. And for the 24 hours ahead, looking to see plenty of sunshine, a few clouds mixing in here and there, generally in the mid and upper levels. Temperatures expected to climb into the upper 70s today, and winds generally light, increasing slightly throughout the day, gusting into the mid-teens, and then dropping down to become light and variable in those overnight and early morning hours. And for the risk chart, we're looking at greens across the board with no real weather or operationally significant concerns moving forward. For the short term, to round us out, Thursday mostly sunny, high of 77. Thursday night mostly clear, a low around 60, and then Friday partly to mostly cloudy. We'll see those clouds continually building in, along with warmer temperatures as southwesterly flow develops, and we'll see a high in the mid 80s with greens across the board for the next 2 days. That is going to conclude the daily weather operations brief. We'll be back at 10 o'clock with the 7-day outlook, and hope everyone has a wonderful rest of their morning.